presenting a pre-owned 2014 BMW. This four-door sedan has a six-cylinder, 3.0-liter i6 engine with rear-wheel drive and a 8-speed shiftable O transmission. This BMW has less than 62,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 19 miles per gallon in the city and 29 miles per gallon on the highway. Key features include cold weather package, lighting package, sport package, auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, navigation system, wireless data link, moonroof, power windows, window defogger, air filtration, front air conditioning, cruise control, power steering, universal remote, digital odometer, external temperature display, airbags, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, child seat anchors, parking sensors, seatbelt force limiters, power door, locks, stability control, and traction control.